Essential Care Chemicals, a business division of Sasol Chemicals. We are a global customer-focused business dedicated towards innovating sustainable solutions for people and the planet. We use our in-depth knowledge of different markets, applications, and products to create advanced high-performance solutions. Sasol is a leading global producer of surfactants and surfactant intermediates, including organic and inorganic specialities. With our well-established expertise, we focus on the following core markets: fabric home care, industrial and institutional cleaning, personal care, health and wellness, and technical markets including energy and construction. Let's take a closer look at our solutions for industrial and institutional cleaning. We offer many innovative and highly efficient cleaning solutions. Janitorial cleaning. Sasol's readily biodegradable short-chain alcohol ethoxylates tackle hard-to-remove stains and soiling, while our solvents enhance cleaning and gloss retention. Sanitization. Our alcohols are used in the production of hand sanitizers and surface disinfectants. Kitchen and catering. Our anionic surfactants offer properties that are excellent for cleaning formulations. Low-forming alkoxylates provide enhanced rinsing and cleaning performance for auto dishwash. Transportation. Sasol's surfactant combinations are excellent for formulations requiring dispersion, foaming, and rinse-off properties. Sasol's wax portfolio provides added benefit for surface protection. Laundry. Sasol offers fast-acting, readily biodegradable surfactants that are excellent for I&I laundry. Technical and industrial. Sasol offers wetting agents, low-firming surfactants, defoamers, and dispersing agents that are excellent for cleaning formulations in various application fields. Our ethoxylates have low catalyst salt levels for precision cleaning in electronic applications. Agriculture, food, and beverage processing. Sasol solvents and surfactants are approved as inert ingredients that have excellent emulsifying properties for active ingredients in indirect food contact cleaning formulations. But that's not all. We offer home cleaning solutions. In the fabric care and home care markets, we apply our global R&D expertise to develop new sustainable solutions. Our #1 supplier position in both Europe and North America for laundry markets inspires us to enable solutions to the challenges of lower temperature washing and water and energy conservation. We use our industry-leading product portfolio to help our customers in the following areas. Surface care. Sasol's ethoxylates offer excellent cleaning performance for all hard surface types, including gloss retention and limescale dispersion. Laundry care. We have a large variety of product solutions, ranging from LAS, ether sulfates, and alcohol ethoxylates, to raw materials for water-free formulations that can help reduce carbon emissions. Toilet cleaning. Sasol produces powders for toilet blocks, as well as ethoxylates for gels and liquid cleaners. Air care. Our ethoxylates show enhanced solubilization of fragrance in formulations that can be used in sprays, plugins, and acrylamide beads. Dishwashing products. Sasol has surfactants for both hand and auto dishwash formulations, with excellent foaming properties for hand dishwashing and foam control for auto dishwash formulations. Whether it's in the home or for industrial and institutional purposes, Sasol offers an innovative range of highly efficient products for perfect cleaning results. Innovating for a better world. Learn more at www.sasol.com and follow us on LinkedIn.